I'm a big fan of routine because with your routine you can do things on autopilot. There are three reasons I like routines. The first one is because they help you move towards your project. If for example you would like to become, I don't know, an entrepreneur, if you have great routine in place, so you don't need to think about it, you just arrive and you know what, this is my schedule, this is what I usually do at this time. So today I need to work on this and I need to work on that. And if you have the habit of doing to-do lists, so you already know what you're supposed to do today, that's one of the reasons why I like routine. And the second one is because when you have routine, you don't waste time. So what do I mean by that is that you don't need to think about what you have to do. So for example, if you need to cook and you have a list of recipes, so like today, on Monday I will cook this, on Tuesday I will cook that, until Sunday, so you already know what is planned for your meal. So instead of wasting 10-15 minutes thinking about what you're going to cook for today, you already know, so you're saving 10 to 15 minutes or maybe more for some people. The third reason why I like routine is when you're very disciplined, when you follow through, when you really respect your schedule, you enjoy more in your free time. Because when you go on vacation, you already know, when I'm going for my vacation, for example, in 1 week, I know that everything is already done. I don't need to think about my email, I don't need to think about the person I need to reach, I don't need to think about the things I need to do for this project or whatever. It's already done because you have been disciplined. These are the three reasons why I like routines.